Hey there, fellow traders. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you an absolute game changer. Are you tired of navigating the unpredictable waters of cryptocurrency trading? Well, fret no more. The Crypto Code is here to revolutionize your trading journey and potentially put lots of cash in your pockets. So, what sets the Crypto Code apart from other trading courses out there? It's all about the numbers. The Crypto Code boasts an incredible 84% trading win rate, unmatched by any other program on the market. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. One of the primary claims of the Crypto Code is its ability to provide accurate market predictions. I rigorously tested its performance against historical data and observed a commendable level of accuracy in forecasting trends. The reliability of these predictions varied across different cryptocurrencies, with major currencies exhibiting more consistent results. Imagine making profitable trades with such consistency. Dream no more. Proof below in the description, as the Crypto Code documents its daily trading record.
Hi, my name is Darren Gray. I've been with the Crypto Code for a little while now, just over a year. And I just wanted to share with you a quick, exciting thing that happened with me. I use a TCC trend indicator, and in January 8th, it told me that it was time to buy Bitcoin. I bought it at just over $16,900 and rode that process until April. In April, I got another TCC trend indicator that told me it was time to sell. So I went ahead and went and sold, and I sold at a price of $31,700 and was able to take over a $96,000 profit.
Hi, my name is Logan, and I have been a member of the Crypto Code since the very beginning. I don't know how long that's been, 2 years maybe? Not sure. The three words I would use are exciting, inspirational, and educational. I think the Crypto Code is different by offering something that is good for beginners who know nothing all the way to experts who know a lot. And regardless of your level, there's something for you that you can learn. Well, at one point I did make $40,000 off of my $500 investment. And other than that, I've just had a lot of little wins with the Wave bot and other swing trading.
My biggest win or success in the program, back when we were doing predictions bot, we went from $90 to $900 in just over a week, so that was pretty exciting. So my son and I were working that. Now we've moved over to Waybots, and we're working, trying to get those up and running and rolling with those. I would recommend the Crypto Code for anyone who's interested in cryptocurrency, wanting to learn more. There's so much information, and once again, they're always updating it and helping us stay on top of the market, stay on top of what's happening.
The cryptocurrency market continues to undergo continuous development, leading to the emergence of increasingly sophisticated trading tools. Among these tools is the Crypto Code, a trading platform designed to assist investors in easily identifying trading opportunities and executing trades. No in-depth technical analysis. Trades are sent directly to your inbox. It's that easy. Click the link below to get a great discount on your membership. CryptoCode has a notably high success rate and offers trading options for various cryptocurrencies beyond just Bitcoin. Folks, with the CryptoCode, you're not just learning theories, you're gaining practical strategies backed by real data. That 84% win rate isn't just a statistic, it's a testament to the effectiveness of this course. What is the CryptoCode? It's a comprehensive resource designed to empower individuals with the knowledge and tools needed to succeed in the world of crypto trading. Developed by industry experts Joel Peterson and Adam Short, this program offers a holistic approach to crypto education, encompassing the CryptoCode Mastermind, WaveBot software, premium trade alerts, and live events and workshops. The CryptoCode Mastermind course, a deep dive into the fundamentals of crypto trading, covering everything from technical analysis to risk management. WaveBot software, an advanced trading tool that leverages AI and machine learning to execute trades with precision and efficiency. Make money while you sleep. Premium trade alerts, timely notifications and insights to help you capitalize on emerging market opportunities. Trades delivered right to your inbox. Live events and workshops, interactive sessions where you can learn from industry insiders and connect with fellow traders. Who is the CryptoCode for? The CryptoCode is for beginners and advanced crypto traders alike. For example, the WaveBot toolkit requires no technical experience to set up and use. According to the company, most of their successful users were total beginners when they joined the program. Meanwhile, the CryptoCode University has video lessons for crypto beginners, crypto masters, and crypto trading masters. The brand likewise assures there's something for everyone for their Crypto Secrets livestream bootcamp events. How does CryptoCode work? The CryptoCode is an advanced cryptocurrency trading platform, providing a comprehensive trading experience supported by a range of trading tools. It employs extensive data collection and analysis to furnish users with predictions, enhancing the potential for profitable trading. One notable feature of CryptoCode is its capacity for hands-free trading on the platform for specific scenarios. What sets it apart is the incorporation of data evaluation capabilities, enabling the platform to continuously refine its ability to execute profitable trades of users. This unique attribute can allow users to benefit from market forecasts even while on the move, making the CryptoCode an appealing choice for cryptocurrency traders across different experience levels, ranging from novices to seasoned financial experts. The CryptoCode solves the three fundamental challenges faced by aspiring crypto traders: mastering cryptocurrency fundamentals, navigating market volatility, and mitigating security risks. Mastering cryptocurrency fundamentals. Before venturing into the realm of crypto trading, it's imperative to grasp the core concepts that underpin these digital assets. From blockchain technology to decentralized networks, our program provides a comprehensive overview, ensuring that you're equipped with the knowledge needed to navigate the complexities of the crypto landscape. Navigating market volatility. The crypto market is notorious for its volatility, with prices fluctuating wildly in response to various factors. While this volatility presents lucrative opportunities, it also carries inherent risks. Through our training, you'll gain valuable insights into market dynamics and learn effective strategies for managing risk and maximizing returns in even the most unpredictable market conditions. Mitigating security risks. As the popularity of cryptocurrencies continues to soar, so too do the associated security risks. From phishing scams to hacking attacks, safeguarding your investments is paramount. Our program goes beyond trading strategies to provide you with essential tips and techniques for securing your digital assets and protecting yourself against potential threats. User-friendly interface. CryptoCode offers an intuitive interface designed to cater to traders of all experience levels. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned crypto trader, the platform simplifies the process of executing trades and customizing your settings. Demo account. To help users become familiar with the platform and gain confidence in leverage trading without financial risk, CryptoCode offers a complimentary demo account. This feature serves as a valuable tool for users to refine their trading skills and develop effective strategies before transitioning to actual transactions. Customer support. The CryptoCode maintains a dedicated customer support team available around the clock to address any inquiries or concerns users may encounter. They claim to offer multiple support channels, including live chat, email, and phone, ensuring quick and efficient assistance to meet your needs. Supports multiple cryptocurrencies. CryptoCode offers the capability to engage in trading with a variety of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Monero, Litecoin, Ripple, Dash, and more. This functionality grants users access to a consistent array of attractive trading prospects on a weekly basis, enabling them to capitalize on market fluctuations and optimize their investment returns. Join us on this journey of financial empowerment. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, the CryptoCode equips you with the knowledge and tools needed to thrive in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Ready to take your trading game to new heights? Click the discount link below and head over to their website and enroll in the CryptoCode today. Let's unlock the potential of cryptocurrency trading together. If you love this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.